Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Zhira. I am a science teacher at Lezan Private Basic School. Today I'm going to explain for you atomic theory for grade 6. Let's start from this question. What is the atomic theory? We will start what's the atomic theory the first time. After that we talk about Dalton's atomic theory. This is question too much important. Why? Because as you know, around us all of the matter made up of the atom. But what's the atomic theory in general? Dalton's atomic theory stated that all matter is made up of the atom. So the smallest particle around us, it's the atom. Atoms is made up of even smaller particle. It means atom, all matter made up of smallest particle called atom. But after that, the smallest than the atom is called subatomic. We will start in here with the nucleus and proton and neutron and electron. Have to know what means that each one's and what's the important thing is in the subatomic inside the atom. We will start with the nucleus. And the first time I'm drawing for you the pictures. This is atom. Atoms start with the nucleus. Nucleus is the center, is a tiny centers in the atoms. It means all of the atoms, they have 3 subatomic particles. Nucleus is at the centers of the atom. This is circle inside the atom called nucleus. After that, we have a proton. Nucleus is a tiny center particle of the atom. Proton, what's the proton? It's a subatomic. Inside the nucleus, they have a positive charge. It means a proton is a subatomic particle inside the nucleus with a positive charge. We have a neutron. Neutron is also subatomic. We have in general 3 subatomic particles inside the nucleus, inside the atoms. Neutrons is subatomic particles inside nucleus, but in here important thing is neutron, they don't have any charge. It means neutron is a subatomic particle with no charge. Or only proton, they have a positive charge inside nucleus, but neutron, they don't have any charge. After that, we have electron. Electron is subatomic particle like them, but this one in the outside, and they have a negative charge. In here, in this picture, have to know what meaning that. We have a nucleus. This is a tiny centers of the atom. After that, we have a proton inside nucleus. We have a proton with a positive charge. We have a neutron. Neutron also inside is a subatomic inside nucleus, but they don't have any charge. After that, we have electron. Electron, the outside of the atom, they have a negative charge. We will do a review about that. Dalton's atomic theory states that all matter is made up of a tiny particle called atom. After that, we have atoms are made up of even smaller particle called subatomic. So atom, matter, all of the matter made up of the atom, and also atom made up of 3 particles called subatomic. In this side, after that, we will go towards the element and atom in the element and the molecules. Element is a substance made up of a kind of the atom. It means all of the elements around us made up only one kind of the atom. For example, when you say nitrogen, Na, or any particle, any element only made up of the one atom. So atom in the inside element, only one atom inside one element. It means all of the atom, the smallest unit on one element, and contain all of the property of this element. Molecule is formed of 2 or more linked together. It means when atom is the smallest particle, after that, when you talk about molecules, it means 2 atoms or more linking together produce molecule. We have 2 kinds of the element, metal and non-metal. If you look at the names, metals and non-metal, it means opposite. Metal, they have a lot of the property. Non-metal, opposite than metal, it means all of the property opposite than metal. Metal, luster and malleable and ductile and conduct electricity and heat. It means in the metal, when you're using anything is like element in the metals group, can you conduct electricity and heat. But non-metal don't conduct electricity and heat. It means metal opposite non-metal, non-metal also opposite metal. After that, they are insulator and neither malleable and not shining. in the same time if element metal and non-metal in the same time called metalloids. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice time.